Affiliate marketing will get you where you need to be. If you're wondering about a way to make some extra money online, you probably already know about affiliate marketing. Although, starting a new site and maintaining it with videos and advertisements might be daunting for the first time. This video provides several easy and effective tips that can help you succeed. Use anticipation to build desire for your upcoming products. Preemptive marketing about the launch of a new product or service can build a need from a want. When used properly, this kind of marketing can drive massive amounts of traffic to your new product, which increases your sales positioning tremendously. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to consider the needs of your site's audience. You want to select a product that is relevant to your readers, otherwise it will make you appear like a con artist that is just after their money. Focus on your niche market and recommend only products and services that are relevant to them, and they will be more likely to follow links and buy. Make sure to go into partnerships with affiliates who offer the products and services you're looking to sell. Joining several different affiliate networks will provide you a collective source of income. Do plenty of research to ensure you feel comfortable campaigning for any affiliates you may accept. Make sure your links go where your readers expect them to. This may seem obvious, but some affiliates will list links under the incorrect heading. Always test the links yourself, several times. Readers want to click the link and be taken to the product in question. They are much less likely to buy if they have to hunt around for the product you were talking about. Hopefully, these tips will give you a better idea on how to write videos, place and update ads, and maintain a reader base that is the key for success. Don't expect to become rich overnight. Affiliate programs take practice and a lot of effort, but can be a great alternative source of money. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.